Ready to level up your English? This lesson is short, friendly, and effective. Hear a real dialogue, learn key words, and speak out loud. Improve listening, pronunciation, and fluency. Simple steps for busy learners. Repeat this video a few times this week. Are you ready to practice? Let's get started.
Today, we'll build practical English you can use at work. First, listen to a short, real-life dialogue. Don't try to catch every word. Focus on the main idea. Then, we'll learn useful phrases from the conversation. After that, you'll answer simple questions out loud. We'll finish with shadowing to boost your rhythm and pronunciation. Repeat this lesson a few times this week for best results. Ready? Let's begin.
Listening practice. Client meeting. Hey, David. Are we ready for the client meeting?
Almost. I made a simple outline for the pitch.
Great. The deadline is tomorrow morning.
I know. Let's run through the slides at lunch.
Good idea. We need clear feedback from Maria.
I'll call her and follow up.
Are we on track with the numbers?
Yes, we are. I checked them twice.
Let's keep the pitch short, like 5 minutes.
Sure, then we can take questions and wrap up.
Sounds good. Should we print a handout?
No need. I'll send a PDF after the meeting.
Okay, let's meet at 2 in the staff room. Sorry, break room.
Perfect. See you then. We've got this. Now it's time for vocabulary. We'll learn some new words, and I'll use short example sentences to show their meaning.
Vocabulary.
Outline. A simple plan or list of main points. Examples. I wrote an outline for my talk. Let's make a short outline first. Pitch. A short talk to sell or present an idea. Examples. We will pitch our idea at 3 p.m. Keep the pitch short and clear. Deadline. The final time or day to finish something. Examples. The deadline is tomorrow. We must meet the deadline. Run through. Practice or review something quickly. Examples. Let's run through the slides. Can we run through the plan now? Feedback. Comments to help improve something. Examples. I need your feedback. Her feedback was very helpful. Follow-up. Contact again to continue something. Examples. I'll follow up after the call. Please follow up with the client. On track. Going as planned, not behind. Examples. We are on track with the work. Stay on track and you'll finish. Wrap up. Finish something. Examples. Let's wrap up the meeting. We can wrap up in 5 minutes. Break room or staff room. A room at work to rest or eat. Examples. Let's meet in the break room. I'll see you in the staff room.
Small daily practice beats a long study once a week. Say the answers out loud. Your mouth learns by doing. Keep it simple, keep it steady, and you will see progress.
I will ask you questions about the conversation. Answer out loud before you hear the model answer.
Listen and answer practice. Hey, David. Are we ready for the client meeting?
Almost. I made a simple outline for the pitch. Are Nora and David getting ready for a client meeting? Yes, they are. They are getting ready for a client meeting. What did David make? He made a simple outline. What is the outline for? It's for the pitch.
Great! The deadline is tomorrow morning.
When is the deadline? Tomorrow morning. The deadline is tomorrow morning. I know. Let's run through the slides at lunch. What do they want to run through? The slides. They want to run through the slides. When will they run through the slides? At lunch. They will run through them at lunch.
Good idea! We need clear feedback from Maria.
What do they need from Maria? Clear feedback. They need clear feedback from Maria. I'll call her and follow up. What will David do? He will call her and follow up.
Are we on track with the numbers?
Yes, we are. I checked them twice. Are they on track with the numbers? Yes, they are. They are on track with the numbers. How many times did David check the numbers? Twice. He checked them twice.
Let's keep the pitch short, like 5 minutes.
How long should the pitch be? About 5 minutes. The pitch should be short, about 5 minutes. Sure, then we can take questions and wrap up. What will they do after the pitch? They will take questions and wrap up.
Sounds good. Should we print a handout?
No need. I'll send a PDF after the meeting. Do they need to print a handout? No, they don't. They don't need to print a handout. What will David send after the meeting? A PDF. He will send a PDF after the meeting.
Okay, let's meet at 2 in the staff room. Sorry, break room.
Where will they meet at 2? In the staff room, the break room. Perfect. See you then. We've got this. Repeat each line right after the speakers. Copy their rhythm, stress, and tone. Use only the lines from the listening section. If you miss a line, pause and try again. 2 short passes are enough. Then replay later.
Shadowing practice. Hey, David. Are we ready for the client meeting? Great! The deadline is tomorrow morning. Good idea! We need clear feedback from Maria. Are we on track with the numbers? Let's keep the pitch short, like 5 minutes. Sounds good. Should we print a handout? Okay, let's meet at 2 in the staff room. Sorry, break room.
Almost. I made a simple outline for the pitch. I know. Let's run through the slides at lunch. I'll call her and follow up. Yes, we are. I checked them twice. Sure, then we can take questions and wrap up. No need. I'll send a PDF after the meeting. Perfect. See you then. We've got this.
Good work today. Save this lesson and repeat it tomorrow. Short daily practice beats one long study session. Speak out loud, even if it isn't perfect. Want more quick sessions? Subscribe and come back. See you in the next lesson.